In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Microsoft To Do app. If you no longer need this app, to uninstall it is pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, the easiest way to uninstall Microsoft To Do app is just by going to your app. So just go to your phone and find where the app is and long press on it. And here you can see we have this option to uninstall. However, if you don't see this option, go to app info option here, or if you don't see app info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on it to access Microsoft To Do app info page. Down below you should see we have an option to remove or uninstall it from here. So for my case, I'll use the first option. I'll just go to the app, long press on it, and then confirm by tapping on uninstall. And as you can see, the app has been removed from my smartphone. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Microsoft To Do app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.